In this video lecture, we are going to create date and time in our calendar. So we're going to build a calendar that's going to display date and time, both the year, the month, the seconds, minutes, hours. You're going to enjoy it so far. So let's go ahead and kick off immediately. Okay, we first of all go over here and import Java utils, java.util, and that is okay. So come inside here and create your main method, public static void main. So let's go ahead, public static void main args. All right, so inside here we go ahead and initialize our variables, because date and time is going to be, date is going to be int, so int day, month, year. So plus semicolon, that is for day, month, and year. Let's initialize another one for second, minute, and hour. So plus semicolon, and the calendar we are going to use is going to be Gregorian calendar. So let's go ahead and put Gregorian calendar. And let the object be date equal to new Gregorian calendar. Okay, I hope that is okay. So now go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. The next thing we need is, for the day, we're going to say day is equal to date dot get hope that is okay. All right, date dot get calendar. I think this can always pop up for us, dates. So you can drag this down and you can see options you have here. Go over to calendar, get calendar. You can click on this, and let's close this and do that manually. So calendar.day, day of the month. Okay, so close this and put a semicolon at the end. We have to do this for month as well. Okay, so for month is equal to dates dot get calendar dot month, put a semicolon at the end, and let this be year equal to date dot get calendar. This is for the year, plus semicolon at the end. And then we've done for day, month, and year. Let's go ahead and look at second, minute, and hour. So for the second, it's going to be equal to date dot get calendar so that's second, the semicolon, and for the minute, you go ahead and put this minute is equal to dates dot get calendar dot minute, put a semicolon on the end, and for the hour, go ahead and say date dot get calendar dot hour, put a semicolon at the end. So you've done a very nice job. We need to print this out so that you can be able to see that. So using system.out dot print line. So we're going to pass this, and we're going to say date is, so you concatenate this outside, you have to impute day, you concatenate again, let's put it a forward slash, and you go ahead and put month. This month is going to be +1 so that it can always show us, because it's Gregory calendar, and you're going to put 1 so that it should be current month. Okay, put a semicolon, put a plus sign, and let's divide this so it can always look like the one we always see. Yeah, so now that is for the day, month, and year. And let's go ahead and look for system.out dot print line, and let's say time is, you concatenate this. You first of all, you start with hour plus, let this look like the real clock, minute, so inside here you go ahead and concatenate again, and let this be second. Now we have done something good. Let's go ahead and configure this, run configuration, and this is project 5 we've doing so far, and click OK, apply, and run. So let's check what is going on. I said could not find or load main class user input dot calculate. This is still showing me the previous lecture we did. Let's go back and reconfigure this again. So the main class user input, please go ahead and change this. This is date and time. Okay, all right, so apply and run. Okay, now let's look at the dates. The date is 26 May 2018. That is the current time we're making this video lecture, and the time is 05757. That is hour, minute, and second. So 0 is 12, 57 is minute, and you can view this just down here, and you can see that both are just exactly the same thing. You see? So let's open up this. So let's go ahead and look at this. You can see, let's look at this. Date is 26 May. Did I say 26 May? 26 June 2018. I'm sorry for taking us backwards, okay? This is 26 June 2018, and the time is 27. That was when we run this like a minute ago, and we ran it at the seconds of 14 seconds. Okay, so let's run it again, and it's going to update, I believe so. So let's check now, and you see that the seconds is really fast. Okay, and it's 58, 32 when we run it, and still there, working out fine. So go ahead and close this. I believe that you've seen how to create awesome date and time in Java programming. So go ahead and put this project down on your laptop and try to run it. If you have any problem, please let me know and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. For every problem you have, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.